Is Mara stock set to take off in the next couple months? Let's dive into it. What's up guys, it's Kai here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I make videos on money, personal finance, and investing. If these type of videos interest you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell to stay updated on upcoming videos. In today's video, we'll be talking about Mara, a Bitcoin mining company. They just recently changed their name to Marathon Digital Holdings. They were previously Marathon Patent Group, but they're a Bitcoin mining company, and I'll be going over some of the catalysts that are coming up in the next coming weeks that might cause this stock to take off, doubling or even tripling your money. And I'll also be going over what I'm personally doing on how I plan to take advantage of this opportunity. So if you're ready to get started, if you go ahead and smash that like button, and let's dive into it. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I'm heavily invested into Bitcoin mining companies, specifically Mara and Riot. Now these companies use Bitcoin mining, which is like supercomputers, to go ahead and mine Bitcoins digitally. And by looking at how much their computers can process, measured as hash rate, you can determine as how fast or how efficient they can mine Bitcoins. So let's take a real quick look at Riot blockchain, ticker symbol RIOT, and what they did in the past few weeks. So if we go back and look around February 10th, they were trading at around $36. And in a matter of 4 trading days, they skyrocketed up to just about $80, more than doubling. Now what happened during this short amount of time that played a part in Riot taking off? They reported that they received and installed and got running more Bitcoin miners, increasing their hash rate to what is known as 1.1 exahash. Now this is a milestone, and as far as I know, there's no other mining company that can mine Bitcoins at this capacity. Exahash is like 1 quintillion hashes. It's a lot of hashes, and it's a great milestone for the company. So the news of this being reported played a role in Riot stock taking off and doubling in a matter of 4 trading days. One of the catalysts that's happening, in March, Mara is planning to receive and get running 6,300 Bitcoin miners, and this will increase their hash rate to 1.4 exahash. So once Mara gets these machines in and gets them up and running and starts reporting that they can now mine at 1.4 exahash, I'm thinking that Mara will take a nice run, just like how Riot did a few weeks back. Now how high will it go? We can only speculate on that, but let's compare it to what Riot did. Yes, Riot did go from 36 to about 80, essentially doubling, but we can't just assume that Mara's is gonna double as well. So I took a look at what Riot's market cap was when Riot was at $80 a share, and they came out to about $5.4 billion in their market cap. So if you take that $5.4 billion market cap and divide that by 94 million outstanding shares that Mara stock has, you'll come out to an average share price about $58 a share. Now currently Mara is trading at about $35 a share, so a nice run to about $57, $58 a share seems like a good run. But that's not the end of it. Considering after they install this 6,300 miners, they'll be up to 1.4 exahash. So this increases their capabilities about 40% more than Riot reported previously, since they're only at 1 exahash. And this is only in March. So if we look out till April, in April, they plan on getting 4,800 more Bitcoin miners. And after they deploy that within April, it'll increase their exahash to 1.9, which is almost double Riot's mining capacities. So this is just speculation here, but if you take that $57 a share that it was targeted at just to meet where Riot was at, now if you take into account coming April, where they will be almost double Riot's mining capacity. If you're comparing apples to apples, Mara stock should be trading around $100 a share. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, but I'm just comparing to where Riot was and the potential, and to see where Mara could go with even more mining potential. And this is all happening in the next couple months. Now to add just a little more icing on the cake, you know, in the next couple months, what's gonna happen to the price of Bitcoin? Of course, it's been really volatile, and me heavily being invested in mining stocks, my portfolio has been swinging like crazy. But still in the long run, I believe Bitcoin is going to go up, even though that it takes massive dives. It's going to continue to trend higher and higher, and that along with it is going to take the Bitcoin mining stocks higher and higher. Where do I see Bitcoin in the next 2 months? I don't know where it's going to be exactly, but I see it higher than where it is today. For Bitcoin mining companies, or especially Mara, Marathon Digital Holdings, their mining capacity will be easily more than double what it is today. So I see an opportunity to take advantage of that stock, to hop in there. I see that stock has a massive potential to take a very quick run up, quickly doubling, maybe even tripling coming in the next couple months. Now, what am I doing and how do I plan to take advantage of this opportunity? I went ahead and bought a bunch of option calls on Mara. So by buying options, I'm kind of leveraging my buying power and setting an expiration date around June, just to be sure that I cover the run up coming up March and April. Now, if somebody's playing options, options are way more risky than just investing in stocks. I do have some option plays that expire in March to try to speculate and take advantage of a quick run up. I hope those play out. I'll be sharing my results in my Instagram. If you want to see how those do, you can go ahead and follow my Instagram here. I'll post my trades there. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Do you think Mara stock is ready to take a ride, or is Bitcoin just a hype bubble and everything's gonna crash terribly? If you like the video and you think it could help somebody out, go ahead and share this video. Be sure to hit the like button. It really helps support the channel. All right, guys, see you in the next video.